We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just and humane society, and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspiration, promote the common goods, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessing of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace, do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Article 1. National Territory. Article 2. Declaration of Principles and State Policy. Article 3. Bill of Rights. Article 4. Citizenship. Article 5. Suffrage. Article 6. Legislative Department. Article 7. Executive Department. Article 8. Judicial Department. Article 9. Constitutional Commission. Article 10. Local Government. Article 11. Accountability of Public Officers. Article 12. National Economy and Patrimony. Article 13. Social Justice and Human Rights. Article 14. Education, Science and Technology and Arts. Article 15. The Family. Article 16. General Provisions. Article 17. Amendments and Revision. Article 18. Transitory Provision.